Talking to someone who's not listening to you, would you ever share any important information or detail with him? No. So it's very vital to be responsive, to be active in front of your guest. So if he's talking to you, you have to use your head movement. Yes. Nodding and creating an audible voice. Yes, sir. That's great. Oh, that's awesome. Marvelous. So it encourages them to share more and more information with you. So always try to be energetic and responsive to the guest, and never be passive. For example, watching your mobile and talking on your mobile, or messaging someone, or texting someone. The 30-minute time of your interview is dedicated to your guest. So what you can do is, there's a small meditation. You can practice it before taking an interview. Sit down on a chair wherever you are, and put your hand on your heart, close your eye, and just take deep breath. And think about your guest sitting in front of you, and he's also doing the same meditation. Meanwhile, he also has his hand on his heart, and there's a wire between your heart and his heart. Just do it for 1 minute, and after doing it, you are going to feel calm. You're going to feel more connected to your guest, and it is going to help you. It's highly recommended. Try it out. Thank you so much.